video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving composite function and composition with function easily. And after going through this video, I guarantee you that you'll be able to solve problems involving composite function and composition with function easily and fast. So ensure you stay with me to the very end of this video. Okay, so let's begin with a simple problem and progress from there. Alright, so we have given f equals s squared and g equals s plus 1. We're asked to find f of g. Now note that the idea behind composite function is substitution of x. So to find f of g in this question means take the value of g, which is s plus 1, and plug it in this x under f. So when you do it, f of g will be x plus 1 squared. And that will be the answer. Okay, so let's look at another problem. So we have g equals 2x plus 1. Okay, we have h equals 3x plus 2, and we have our f equals 2x, and we're asked to find f of h of g. Okay, so solving the problem, first of all, find h of g. To find h of g means you should take this value of g, which is 2x plus 1, and plug it in this x under h. So when you do it, your h of g will be, so when you do the math, you're going to have 3 in bracket 2x plus 1 plus 2. So when you simplify this, you are going to have 6x plus 1, then plus this as standing to here. So when you do the final calculation, you're going to have, so 3 times 3 times 1 will give you 3, not 1. So when you do the final calculation, you're going to have 6x plus 5. Okay, so this is the value of h of g. Now to find f of h of g means you should take this value of h of g and plug it in this x under f. So when you do it, you are going to have 2 in bracket 6x plus 5. And so when you simplify this, your final answer will be 12x plus 10. So this will be the final answer, the value of f of h of g. So it's as simple as that, guys. Okay, so let's solve one more example. So we have f of x equals 3x minus 5. Okay, we have g of x equals x cubed, and we have h of x equals sine x. So we asked to find I, g of h, we have to find g of f, and we asked to find h of f. Okay, so how do you solve this problem? Very simple. To find g of h means you should take the value of h, which is x sine x, and plug it into this x of g. So when you do it, you're going to have sine x in bracket cube. So another way you can represent this is sine cube x. So this will be our g of h. So it's as simple as that. Now for g of f, sorry, wait, let me clean this. Okay, so g of f will be, take the value of f, which is this value, and plug it in this x under g. So when you take the value, if I'm plugging in another x, I'm plugging in x under g, we are going to have 3x minus 5 cubed. That will be the answer. And lastly, our h of f will be, take the value of f, 3x minus 5, and plug it under h, under this x of h. So indeed, we are going to have sine in bracket 3x minus 5, and that will be the answer. So guys, this is how you can solve problem involving composite function or composition of function easily. I hope I simplified it for you guys. And with this, we have come to the end of the class. I hope you learned something interesting. If you are new to the channel and you have not subscribed, ensure you subscribe button now to subscribe to the channel for more videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel regarding what I've learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific question to ask, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below, and I will ensure to give you a response. Okay, that's it for this class, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.